This is Realme V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can hard reset this device through the recovery mode. So, step number 1, simultaneously press volume up and power button to launch the power off menu. Now, move this white circle to the power off, and well, allow a few seconds for your device to be switched off all the way. Once it is, press and hold both volume down and power keys, and keep them held until you'll see the Realme logo on the screen. Here it is. Now you can let both of your fingers go. Here select language, then format data, input the verification code that you'll see on your screen, and then press format. And now all that is left to do on your end is to simply wait for this procedure to be finished, and you'll know that it is once you'll see the initial system setup screen. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.